everyone, welcome to Beauty Insider. Today we're going to talk about our new Only For You Curl Refresher Spray. I'm Laura Dale and I'm here with Lauren and Felicia, and I'm going to show you how to use it on two different types of naturally curly hair. So the Curl Refresher Spray is amazing to refresh your second and third day curls. So all you need to do is to spray it onto dry hair and scrunch it in just like this. And it makes it super easy to refresh different types of curls, and we're just gonna scrunch it into the hair. And it gives you definition because we have our key ingredient Wave Max, which actually helps to define the curls in naturally curly hair. So then we've got a looser curl over here on Lauren, and we're gonna use the same application on dry hair, although you can wet the hair and then diffuse it as well. We've got our MONAT diffuser over here, so you can actually diffuse it into the hair if you'd like. But it's gonna refresh your curls second day on all types of naturally curly hair. Now isn't that beautiful? You've got just beautiful hair.
Thank you.
It smells really, really nice too. Perfect. There we go. So different types of curly hair, one product to refresh them both with our new Only For You Curl Refresher Spray.